We'll be taking our journey from Makurdi to Akwa Ibom. In 324 kilometers, we'll get to Okigwe. Enugu is 237 kilometers, and Otukpo is 70 kilometers. This is Makurdi Alede Road, and you can see the road is still under construction. It's being constructed by a Chinese company, and currently we are at Alede roundabout, and we are entering Otukpo Road. So here is Alede Junction, and we are heading down to Otukpo. Then from Otukpo to Enugu. It's going to be a long journey, but fret not, we are moving at 120 kilometers per hour, so we'll get to Akwa Ibom in a good time. By your left, you can see that is a Chinese company, the people constructing this road. Construction is commendable, because the last time I traveled on this road, many places were not touched, but currently they have touched so many areas and are still going on the construction. The construction is going on smoothly. We just passed Otukpo, and currently we are at Otukpo 9-mile road. So this is Otukpo 9-mile road, and the road is still under construction. You can see the company are doing a very good work here. They are moving very fast. You can see the road. This road used to be very bad. As at 2 years back, if you travel on this road, you would not like to travel on Nigerian road, because this road used to be very bad. In fact, one of the worst roads in Nigeria. But currently this Chinese company are doing a very good job on this road. The road is still under construction, and it will be very lovely when they finish constructing this road, and I can't wait to see it. So we are moving on, and currently we are on our way to Enugu. Then from Enugu we'll get to Umuahia, then Umuahia to Uyo. It's a long journey, and so we try to cut down some of the road, showing major places and major construction. And here is still 8 miles road, and the road is still under construction. It's smooth now, and it's motorable, unlike before that it used to be dead trap. So you can see the next 137 kilometers will be in Enugu, then 224 kilometers will be at Okigwe, and in 260 kilometers will be in Umuahia. So we are moving on, and we are getting there slowly. So just stay tuned as we keep on going. And here now, currently, in the next 117 kilometers will be in Enugu, then Okigwe 204 kilometers, and Umuahia in the next 240 kilometers will be at Umuahia. So stay tuned, we are still heading down, we are still proceeding. Please don't forget to give us a thumb up, please like, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, we are doing a great job. Our job is just to travel, show you places, latest development around Nigeria. And so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button, so that anytime we drop a video you can notify. So currently we are in Enugu. So here in Enugu, we are not rushing here, because this is town, this is Enugu town. So steadily we'll be going, so that you can see the Enugu town, how it looks currently. This is Enugu. So in the comment section, tell me, how do you see this town? How do you see Enugu? Have you been to Enugu before? What do you love about Enugu? I think I've done a couple of videos about Enugu. You can look at it in the description of this video, or just go through the channel. You see couples of videos I've made about Enugu and the development that is ongoing in Enugu, and the collapse bridge. Today we'll see the collapse bridge and how far they've gone with the construction. That is the Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. The road is still under construction, so today we'll see how far they've gone with the construction. So this is flyover in Enugu. So this is Enugu main town, as you can see. This is their flyover. So we'll be branching by our right hand side so we can get to Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. Please stay tuned as we continue with our drive through Makurdi to Akwa Ibom State. Have you gone on a long journey like this before? So Makurdi to Akwa Ibom will take you about 11 hours. It's a long journey because you pass through Makurdi to Alede to 8 miles to Enugu, from Enugu to Okigwe to Umuahia, Ikot Ekpene, then Uyo. It's a long journey. If you have not traveled on this road before, we are showing you now, so you are not missing. So this is the route, and this is how it takes to travel from Makurdi to Akwa Ibom by road. So we are still moving on. Currently we are here in Enugu. You can see the road construction in Enugu. There are so many development currently ongoing in Enugu. There's so many development in Enugu, road construction. As you can see by our left hand side, you can see the road construction ongoing. They are realizing this road, and it's a good one. It's a good one, and thank God that is happening, because you can see this road is narrow. So there is a construction ongoing. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to comment, like, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Join us as we continue to explore around Nigeria, moving from different states. That's me, moving from one state to another. And if you have any video suggestion, please don't hesitate to drop in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to bring it up for you to see your suggestions. We always try as much as possible to ensure we bring it up. We'll try to cover what you want to see. So you can see now the development that is ongoing, the road construction. The governor Mba is doing so much. He's doing a lot in Enugu. Okay, so stay tuned as we continue our road drive. I will just be showing up once in a while to tell you some of the places, to tell you where we are and the development that is ongoing. Okay, so far we are by the roundabout. This is a popular roundabout in Enugu, and we'll be entering our left hand side. Entering our left hand side. So stay tuned. Stay tuned as we continue. So it says, all right. So we are entering our left. Still moving on. So this road now will take us to Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. So stay tuned. But we are running out of fuel, so we need to refill. So in the next fuel station, the next filling station, we will have to refuel our vehicle. Okay, that is filling station there by our left. So okay, so we'll be entering by our left hand side to this filling station so that we can refuel our vehicle quickly. All right, Okay, so we've done that quickly, and here we are now on, still proceeding, still moving on. So the journey is going on smoothly. What can you say about the journey? Do you like the journey? Hope you are growing. Hope you are enjoying the journey. All right, so here is Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway, and we have a collab bridge here that is still under construction. So this road has been blocked for a while, but now they have opened one part of the road for movement. They have opened it for movement. You can still see the pathway is still under construction. The road is still under construction. The collab bridge, you can see men there working. They are working effortless to ensure that this bridge is fixed. So that is the collab bridge that you can see that still under construction. They are still fixing the collab bridge. So that is it. That is it. We are moving now. So this is Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. Is a double lane road, and it's always very smooth. I always love it when I enter this road because the road is wide, it's smooth, and in no time you get to where you are going. So this road now will take you down to Abia State, then to River State. That is Port Harcourt District Road. That's why it is called Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. So stay tuned as we proceed, as we take our journey down to Umuahia, then Umuahia to Ikot Ekpene. That is Umuahia Ikot Ekpene Road, then to Uyo. Stay tuned as we continue our journey. Please do well to give us a thumb up as we move on. That is Okigwe roundabout. As you can see, by your right hand side you get to Imo State, then your left hand side you get to abakaliki, that is Ibom State, but we are still going down straight down to Umuahia. So in the next 35 kilometers we'll get to Umuahia. So stay tuned as we continue our journey. So finally we are here in Abia Tower. So this is Abia Tower, and we'll be entering by our left hand side. Left hand side will take us to Umuahia town. All right, so this is Umuahia. You can see how Umuahia is looking beautiful. It's looking fine. Yeah, you can see the road. I don't know if you've heard of Abia State before. Abia State, Umuahia, Aba, and the rest before were known to be a place of bad roads and all that. But you can see the development has come to Abia State through the governor, Dr. Oti. So this is Umuahia Road, and this is Umuahia town, and it's looking beautiful as you can see. So let's keep going. We're entering our left hand side, so we are navigating our way so that we can get to Umuahia Ikot Ekpene Road. So very soon we'll get to the Umuahia Ikot Ekpene Road. So we'll be entering our left hand side. We'll take a U-turn by entering our left. Okay, so from our left we'll be entering our right hand side. Right hand side will take us to Ikot Ekpene. Will take us to Umuahia Ikot Ekpene Road. Yeah, so we are entering by our right hand side. So currently we are at Umuahia Ikot Ekpene Road. So straight down now will take us to Ikot Ekpene. Before, this road used to be very bad. Yeah, it used to be very bad. But this road is still under construction. But the good part of the road is okay. Unlike before, that it was a dead trap, it wasn't motorable. But now the road is motorable and it's okay. A good part of the road is okay, though some parts are still not okay. But it's motorable. It's okay to drive. So stay tuned as we continue, as we move down to Ikot Ekpene, then from Ikot Ekpene to Uyo. So stay tuned. Please, if you have not like the video, comment and share the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notifications so that anytime we post our video you can be notified. Join the family as we continue to explore around Nigeria, around different states in Nigeria. So stay tuned. This is Ikot Ekpene. This is Umuahia Ikot Ekpene Road. Stay tuned as we continue on the journey. We can see this part of the road is very smooth and it's very okay. Yeah, so we are still moving on. This part now is not very okay and it started drizzling. This is evening already. It's getting dark, as you can see. It's getting dark. It's a long journey. We have come all the way from Makurdi to Otukpo down to Enugu, then to Umuahia, and this Umuahia Ikot Ekpene road. You can see this road is not very okay. But guess what? Currently, we have entered Akwa Ibom. You can see the road difference between Umuahia section or the Abia State section and the Akwa Ibom State section. So this is Akwa Ibom. This is Obodokara. Yeah, this is Obodokara axis. This is Obodokara local government in Akwa Ibom State. So we are heading down to Ikot Ekpene. So very soon we'll get to Ikot Ekpene. So stay tuned as we move on. It's evening. It's evening already. It's getting dark, but we'll keep on going. We'll get to you very soon. So currently we are in Akwa Ibom State. You can see the road in Akwa Ibom. So this is Umuahia road in Akwa Ibom. That is in Ikot Ekpene. So we are entering Ikot Ekpene now. The right hand side there will take you to Ritman International School. So this is Ikot Ekpene in Akwa Ibom State. Here is Ikot Ekpene there, and this is Umuahia road in Ikot Ekpene. So we are heading down now to Ikot Ekpene Plaza. So you get to see Ikot Ekpene Plaza. It's a busy town. It's a lovely town. Then okay. Yeah, if you branch by that right, you see a vehicle, but if you branch by that right, it will take you to Abba Road in Ikot Ekpene, Abba Road. Then down through that your right hand side there will take you to straight down to Abba. So this is the traffic light in Ikot Ekpene. So we are still moving. This is Ikot Ekpene main town. This is Ikot Ekpene main town. Yeah, it's a lovely town. It's a nice town to stay. It's a bustling town. It's a busy town. Okay, so we'll be branching by our left hand side. To your right hand side will take you to Abba in Abia State. Straight down will take you to Abba, but we branch by our left hand side, and this is Ikot Ekpene Plaza, and you can see that iconic building. That is 4 Point by Sheraton. 4 Point by Sheraton Hotel is one of the biggest hotel in Akwa Ibom State. So this is Ikot Ekpene Uyo Road. So straight down will take us to Uyo. This road is lovely and it's fine, as you can see. It's fine. So we are approaching a roundabout. This is control post roundabout, control post, and the road is divided to so many roads, but we will still get down. We'll still take straight down. Straight down will take you to you. So we are still going straight. We are still going. We are still moving. You can see the street light. I think when it gets dark, the light will come up. But since it's not dark yet. Right, so we are still moving. We are moving. This is Ikot Ekpene road to. This is Uyo road. Sorry, in Ikot Ekpene, we are heading down to Uyo now. So very soon we'll get to Ibiapan roundabout. That is Kalabaitu roundabout. That is the Five Fingers roundabout here in Ikot Ekpene. So by your left hand side will take you down to Calabar, but we are going straight since we are going to Uyo. So we are moving straight down will take you to Uyo. So very soon we'll get to our destination, Uyo. So how do you see the journey? How has it been? How do you see the journey? How do you see the road? Drop in the comment section. How is the journey from Makurdi? It's a very long journey. As I said earlier, it took me 11 hours to arrive from Makurdi to Uyo. It's a very long journey, and we left very early in the morning. That is why we were able to arrive before it gets dark. But on a normal, if you are using public transport and you are leaving late, if you are leaving maybe around 9 or thereabout because of loading and all that, you arrive very late at night, sometimes around 10, 11. So but here we are. It's not very dark, as you can see, though it's getting dark, and we arrive at a very good time. So this is Uyo already. This is Uyo, and this is Uyo. This like we drive in the evening. Yes. So very soon we'll get to Ibom Specialist Hospital. Ibom Specialist Hospital by your right, and that is the building that you are seeing up there. That is Ibom Specialist Hospital. And after that, this iconic building by your right hand side, that is Ibom Specialist Hospital, as you can see there by your right hand side. The next is the Itam Junction, and that will be the end of our journey. So we are in Uyo already, so it has been a long journey, but we have arrived in Uyo. Please give us a thumb up, like, comment, and share this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button, so that anytime we post our video you can be notified, and join our community. Join us in this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.